Hello, this is how your Bridgford bike will arrive from leisure outlet. First of all, remove the bands. Then open the box. Mind your fingers with these staples, they can be very sharp. Firstly, remove the basket. Then remove the basket. Make sure you go back into the box to get the rest of the parts. Seat post and saddle. And a small kit box with your tools for assembly. Now carefully remove the packaging of your Bridgford bike. Now that your bike is ready to be assembled, open your part box and inside you'll find owner's manual, pedals, multi-tool and a spanner. So first, you will need to turn the forks forward so the brakes are facing forward. Remove the plastic cap from the bottom of your stem and insert into the fork steering. On the stem you'll find there is a minimum insertion mark. This can be adjusted up and down depending the height of the rider. Using a 6mm Allen key of your multi-tool, tighten the top elbow. Now we're ready to fit the front wheel. We'll need to open the brake calipers. Squeeze them together and remove the cable. Then you need to loosen the nut to the end of the axle. Now we place the wheel, making sure both of the safety washers are in place. Now we fit the basket support. Place it into the axle, followed by a washer and a safety nut. Now we reconnect the brakes by putting them together and placing the cable in the slot, making sure our basket support is on the position upright. Now for the front mudguard, place the bracket over the bolt and secure with the nut. Now using our 5mm Allen key, we're gonna secure the mudguard stays to the bottom of the fork on both sides. Now we're going to fit the seat onto the bike, put it into the frame. Note, there is a safety mark, make sure this is below the clamp. From there on you have the ability to adjust for the height of the rider. Tighten this bolt. Now we're ready to fit the pedals. We're going to start with the right side, which is clearly marked on the pedal with a sticker, and on the crank arm, which is also located on the chain side. Place the pedal onto the crank arm, spin it clockwise, finger tight, and finish off by tightening up with the spanner. Now you're ready to fit the left side, which is clearly marked by a sticker and a stamp on the end of the axle. Place it into the crank arm and spin it anti-clockwise. Finger tight then finish it off with this spanner. Now once fitting the basket, the fittings are pre-attached. We're going to position the brake cable and the gear cable behind the bracket, and then position the basket onto the bracket. Make sure your basket is aligned with the bracket. Using your fittings, place it into the bracket. Now to secure, place the washer onto the screw, followed by the nut on both sides. Now to secure the bottom of the basket, we're going to use this bracket to place around the basket support. Make sure the basket is aligned with the bracket. Using these two bolts, we're gonna securely attach them together. Now with a crossheader screwdriver, we're going to secure all the bolts on the basket. Now for the top bracket, you need an 8mm spanner and a crosshead screwdriver. To finish off, secure the lever straps to the handlebar. Finally, when you've done all your adjustments for your height, place the plastic cover over your head bolt. Now that your bike is fully assembled and all the bolts and nuts are secured, we recommend ongoing service by a qualified cycle mechanic.